Assalamualaikum, ladies and gentlemen here. Thank you very much, guys. As you know that right now there are two teams here. Now we have 8 teams. 4 get out from here because now there is this contest. 4 men and they are playing the quarterfinal. In front of us there are 2 teams. One team name is Tumbler, another team name is Destroyer. Let's check it out. Who will win today? Whoever wins, they're going to go ahead. Who will lose? They're going to do a speech contest. There are 2 teams right now. Before starting, as you know that, we're going to call here right now jury. Now who are the juries? I'm going to call the grade. But before it, I want to say one announcement is here. Our 4 teams got off, cut off, knocked out from the debate. But people were admiring them a lot. That's why the public demand now 1 team will be up. Mean to say that is wild card entry. Who will be there? We really don't know. Public know and they know because they demanded. Now let's check it out. Who will come up in a wild card entry? But before it, right now they play debate. Afterward, the wild card entry will be up. Now I'm gonna call here the great, smart, intelligent judges here, juries here. Who are they? As you know that. You know, I know, we know. Who are they? They are great. Have a big hand for them, sir. Ayaz and Sarshe. Rose, have a big hand for them. Have a big hand for them. I can hear us. Sit down. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. Juries, can I start? Am I allowed?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. I am allowed to start the debate. Right now, we cannot start here. As you know that, topic is that they will describe by themselves what's topic. Who will start first, you or they? Tumbler is going to start first. Start.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Each and everything life belongs to Allah, who is creator, operator of generator. Is beautiful word. They my life to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They my parents, they my teacher, they my all friend. And assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you with them? Good
My
job.
name is Awasra, my team.
This is Fatma Thar. This is Zakir.
This is Muhammad Ali.
Thank you very much. As we all know that our topic is Balochistan should not be separate, and it is true. Balochistan is largest province of Pakistan with an area 347,190 square kilometers. Population is 79,14,000 and Balochistan is 44% of Pakistan. Thank you.
Good job. Wrote the point. Great point here. Madam Farhat.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. Nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator of this beautiful world. Then I would like thanks to Allah, then Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then my parents, my teacher and my friends who made me able to speak, walk and learn. And I say, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum guys. I want to introduce my team. My name is Rukhsar Imran and I am the leader of this team. My team name is Destroyer. My first member is Ahsan, second is Asmar, third is Wajia and fourth is Madam Farhad. And our topic is Balochistan should be separate. I want to tell you why we are saying the Balochistan should be separate. First of all, I want to tell you the meaning of the name of Balochistan. The meaning of the name of Balochistan, the land of Baloch. And we are saying that Balochistan should be separate because Pakistan does not give the proper introduction and the Balochistan. That's why we are saying Balochistan should be separate.
Oh my God! Come on, give the answer away. Anyone is here? LA, stand up.
First of all, I want to tell them, Sir said that the Balochistan meaning is the land of Baloch. You are right. But according to population, the 17.9 lakhs point 4. The people are there, they are not totally Baloch. There is Pakhtun also, there is Sindhi also, there is Punjabi also. It's mean in Balochistan there are all kind of people live there, and Balochistan is a combination of two words, the Baloch and Istan. The Baloch meaning is that the nation of any language or any place. The Istan is mean state. It's like any land. After it become a land, and in India the all kind of people are living, and Pakistan completely give the resources also and advantages also to Balochistan. Thank you.
Pakistan given us all the advantage and benefit to Balochistan. Yeah, Rukhsar. Is it right?
Right, but I want to say that I am not saying the Balochistan is living just only Baloch. I am saying that the meaning of Balochistan that, and I want to say that we are saying that Balochistan should be separate. Why? Because Pakistan not giving the equal rights to Balochistan. That's why we are saying Balochistan should be separate from Pakistan.
Good. Now come on, madam. Here, Fatima.
Balochistan should not be separate because there are many rich mineral resources like gold, silver and etc.
Where?
In Balochistan.
Should not be separate.
Yes.
Because these things all available there. The all things available there. Ahsan! They're raising their hand like that. They're chingo raising their hand already.
They have many national.
Yeah.
Because calling that the national gas,
Yeah.
coal,
Yeah.
petroleum, etc.
Then. Yeah. There are many things there. Yeah. You awake.
Separation is the policy is between people.
Yeah. Now who's there from here? Anyone? Madam Farhad.
Pakistan government did not give proper attention of Pakistan population. So Balochistan should be separate.
Balochistan should be
Separate.
separate because Pakistani government not giving the proper
Fully attention.
attention to our Pakistan. How can they?
My dear sister, you tell me, any children live without his mom? No, no children live without his mom. Like this, Balochistan do not live without Pakistan.
She said that Balochistan have a lot of natural resources.
Yeah.
Why we are saying that Balochistan should be separate? Because Pakistan not giving the machineries to resource the product and the resource. That's why we are saying that Balochistan should be separate. If Balochistan separate, they build up inshallah.
If Balochistan separate, then it build up inshallah, Fatima.
You are saying that government not giving them machineries and all. But my dear, last week Pakistan Supreme Court Bar Associate had a meeting in Islamabad to issue the of Balochistan.
Anyone here? Yeah, you.
She said that last year they gave them.
Last month.
Last week. First of all, I want to say that in Balochistan, when the critical condition, Sadr Gilani said that we will solve this critical condition, but Sadr Gilani don't take the action of in Balochistan.
Very nice. Yeah, good.
Balochistan is like this.
That's a person like that. Alex. Very strong point, and guys are in fast. I know that you came in.
Sir and Miss Farhad, the both are like just say that the equal Pakistani government don't give the equal rights, the equal condition not giving the
Balochistan people. First of all, my dear, you are talking by the deprive of knowledge, strip of knowledge. What are the conflicts behind of separation? First tell me, then I will tell you what are the conflicts to get separation from Pakistan. That's right.
What is the concept? Hey, come on.
Concept means that Balochistan is depend on Pakistan. That's why Balochistan not built up. We want to that Balochistan build up by own self. That's why we are saying Balochistan should be separate.
Got it. One. Yeah. Right up, Fatima.
Balochistan will grown up with our support. When we support, then they grow up.
If we support, then Balochistan can grow up without out. They cannot do it.
But
Yeah.
Pakistan government not supporting.
But Pakistan government not supporting. Anyone is here? Yeah.
First of all, my dear Ms. Rukhsar and Farah, listen to me. The conflict of behind of this, the area of distributed, it is the first conflict. The second conflict is class decision. Third or fourth one is foreign support. 5 one is human right. 6 one is development issues. 7 one is education issues. 8 one is Supreme Court investigation issue. 11 external links. It's are the conflict behind of separation, not to grow the minerals, not given the machine. It is not a conflict. The conflict is like that, which are the 8 conflicts to get separation, and the Pakistani government take action and become a working on it. Thank you very much.
In Balochistan there are many facilities, but they do not using. Only Pakistan using this, and they do not provide him any kind of thing.
Because there are many materials and many minerals available there, but they are not providing them. And you, Zakira.
You say government do not provide machinery.
Yeah.
But they provide all things. But your Balochistan
People.
no Balochistan
Land.
Balochistan the people, the owner of Balochistan do not provide you, but government provide you.
Okay, now the leader will not provide you, the government will provide you this thing. Come on, anyone here? And no one is here? Yeah. What's here?
Pakistan are many entertaining places like Qaeda,
Where?
Hazar Ganji, and Hanala.
In Balochistan. In Balochistan, there are many entertainment park, Lalaji Park and Qaeda-e-Azam Park. They all are there. Then how can I say that? Where is out?
After separation, Balochistan will be destroyed.
Why?
What's the policy?
Again, after separation, Balochistan will be destroyed.
How can you say that Balochistan separated destroyed? Balochistan has many natural resources. We use it.
Balochistan has many resources, we use it and we build our Pakistan, our country.
That's why I'm saying Balochistan should not be separate, because there are many facilities for using.
For using. Come on, son.
Balochistan have that facility to also use them, because Balochistan have gas, but Balochistan give the Pakistan, but Pakistan not give the Balochistan gas. That's why we are saying the Balochistan should be.
Get job, come on to you.
Why you're saying? How can you say that they are not giving them gas? All are giving gas equally.
Madam.
Day by day, Balochistan people are kidnapping. What are doing Pakistan government?
What are the Pakistan government doing in it?
I have told you in the conflict, the issues, the kidnapping of people, it is the one kind of issue, and the Pakistan government take action of it. And one more thing is that, what are the basic rules to prevent change into the country? Because Balochistan want to separate and you are favoring it, you have to know what are the basic rules to prevent change into the country. Tell me.
As you know that Pakistan had 5 provinces.
Yeah.
Before separate Bangladesh.
Good.
And Bangladesh separated due to Pakistan government did not give proper attention. The Pakistan government is not giving to attention of Balochistan. That it means Balochistan should be separate.
Yeah. Come on up. Yeah, you.
Please first give in the answer.
Huh?
Please first give the answer.
Which answer question?
Our question is
What is the
what
question?
is the basic rules to separate one province in country?
What is the basic rules to change the province into the country? Yeah. Let's start.
She said you don't listen, it's not about.
She said, but it's not listen to our enough for it. Again, hanging on for a minute. And guys, as you know that the month is going on, it is Ramadan. And Ramadan is a month of bless. We earn the deeds a lot, but that's why you can hear the voice, slow voice, cause of they all are in fast, but they came here, they are playing the debate, the entire thing. I want to say that, have a big hand for them. Cheers up. And who are the guys clapping? They also in fast, that's why they're clapping a slow way, because they're in fast not. Now guys, there is a small time. Not drinking the water because they are in fast. The small time, no for tea. The small time for they are tired, for taking rest. That's why the small break. Thank you very much, guys. Thank
you. सर, इस क्वालिटी का माल देंगे तो हमें नुकसान होगा।
नुकसान नहीं, बस थोड़ा मुनाफा कम होगा। दूसरी और हम थोड़ी सी इज्जत।
जो वाइटल पीते हैं कुछ ऐसे जीते हैं। वाइटल, इससे अच्छी चाय अब शायद ना आए।
वाइटल पियो, जिंदगी जियो।
You start, sir.
I'm saying that Balochistan is separate because Balochistan also wants to separate. I don't mean that.
Balochistan wants separate?
Yeah, Balochistan also wants separate.
We approve.
Yeah, they have a different national anthem and they have a flag.
Different flag and different national anthem.
They have the Balochistan flag. That means that Balochistan also wants that separate.
Is there no flag of Pakistan? The flag of Balochistan.
See the Pakistan flag in Balochistan.
And national anthem? And there's also a different national anthem. Come on, Fatima.
Because Baloch are fed up of Sardari system, that's why they want
Because Baloch are fed up with Sardari.
Sardari.
Okay, Sardari system. Sardari system. That's why.
I'm also saying that you can't see the Pakistan flag in Balochistan. Why you can't see the Pakistan flag in Balochistan?
Why you can't see Pakistan flag in Balochistan? Yeah.
My dear, you are talking about the deprived knowledge. In Balochistan, the complete area of Pakistan is 44%. The complete area of Balochistan, the land area is 52%. According to it, there is a 4 border. First border is Afghanistan, second border is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, fourth border is Federal Administrative Tribal Area, fourth and last one is China area. It means you cannot blame on Balochi people. It is the flag of any other country or it is the flag of Balochi people. Maybe it is called it is the flag of any other country because
there are 4 corners. 4 corners, that's why you cannot understand which corner they are. You. Yeah.
Then Pakistan government not give attention, proper attention. Balochistan want freedom. And you like that other countries help the Balochistan. It's not true. Balochistan himself freedom.
Come on, you. Look it up.
In 1947 and subcontinent break into 2 pieces. In number 1 in Pakistan, number 2 in India. And in 1971, Pakistan again break into 2 pieces. Number 1 is Pakistan and other one is Bangladesh. And now also Balochistan wants separation. This is also the policy of Britishers. When Balochistan separated from Pakistan, so Britishers hijacked Balochistan.
Hijacked Balochistan. Asmat.
The economy of the province is largely based upon the coal and minerals. The province's natural resources significantly help to meet the energy needs of Pakistan as a whole.
Come on, Naza. How is there? Fatima.
every problem have solution, and for making them our friend Balochistan there are many solutions. First, Gawarda Port and Balochistan natural resources must be used to uphold the Baloch people. Second is that Balochi language must be declared in Balochistan primary language. Then they will be friend of our, and then they do not want to separate.
Why? There is a solution. Why you are separating your nation? But there is a solution as a son. Come on.
In Balochistan, no any larger government school and government college.
Yeah, there's no. There is. There is what? There is government school, government college. Okay, now there is a government school, government college, but there is no paying attention on them. The what I use of college and university and schools there. You, Alay.
Yes, you're right.
You're right.
You're right. But the government take action on it, and they are doing work on it. My dear, I want to tell you, two province, my question still remain. I will give you answer. The province change into the country. The fourth thing is most important: executive power, electric, legislature, independent judiciary. Fourth one is free media. The fourth one, free media in Balochistan. There is no newscast channel. It's been the four pillar is destroyed. Like next one is executive power. There is no any kind of executive power. It's mean nuclear power destroyed. One more, electric legislature. In Balochistan, there is no parliament member who's are working to Balochistan. Fourth one is that. Third one is that the independent judiciary. The wherever the court of Balochistan take action, the people not commitment on it. It means they cannot establish ourselves. They cannot be a country. Thank you very much.
Good point. Next part.
I want to answer that Zakira. She said that Bangladesh will be destroyer, and whenever they go destroyer, and they not. You are wrong. The Bangladesh are built up when they separate from Pakistan, and I also want to say that the Balochistan weren't built. That's why we are saying Balochistan separate. If we separate, if Balochistan separate, so we also build up. And also I also want to tell the answer. He said there is no there is administrator division. There is 26 administrative divisions. First is Avaran, second is Barkan, third is Bolan, fourth is Lasbela, fifth is Gawada, sixth is Karat, and also there is division in Balochistan.
There are many divisions in Balochistan. How did you say there is no division is there?
My dear sister, there are the 30 division, not 6. The first one is over one, the Balochistan.
26 you said.
Okay, you can see over the 30 division are there, but they are not working. It's a fault of Balochi people or government. Tell me, the separation of Balochistan, it means you want to people, you want to country, you have belief on your government, the Balochi government. It means the Balochi government are not working on it. After separation, it will be working. It will be occupied by British people, and it will be destroyed because the population is 5%. 5% anyone can occupy.
Come on, 5% anyone can occupy it. Yeah.
First of all, I want to say that you saying that there is no build-up. There is build-up. That's why we are saying this. There is oil, coal, and etc. thing in the Balochistan. That we are saying that Balochistan separate. If we separate, they build up by own self. They don't have to Pakistan. They don't need to have to Pakistan. They build up by own self.
They can build up by themselves, but they can never ever need any kind of thing. Come on.
Judges, can I call Mr. Asmat here, please?
For what?
For proving that Balochistan should not separate.
For proving that Balochistan should not be separate. They want activity. Yeah, sir. If you allow them, then I will call. Otherwise, I will not.
If I say that I am allowing this one.
Anyone?
Anyone, you come on say.
She wants to prove something.
As you all know that there are 4 provinces: Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan, Punjab and Sindh. Balochistan, can you prove this?
I don't want to break the Balochistan. I'm answering you.
I'm saying that this is
I don't want to break the Balochistan. I want to break the
Ask the question.
There is four provinces. If we separate Balochistan, you can break it. If we separate, it is separate only. You break this, anyone can break this. You can break this, anyone can break this. But if there is four, cannot be, no one can be break. Understand?
I understand, but I
break it.
But I want to say that I don't want to Balochistan break up. I want that Balochistan build up. That's why we are saying that Balochistan should be separate.
If your house color wall will be dirty, so you repair it or break the wall.
If no one can help me, I'm giving you answer. If no one can help me, I broke my house and then build up. Because if I build my house and shift,
everyone is helping Balochistan, so they cannot.
No one can help Balochistan. I'm saying that Sadr Gilani said that I will help and I will.
Shut up, say that we are.
Hey, what's going on? Give me the Balochistan, Sindh Punjab Balochistan. What did you say that? I want to prove you here and you're fighting here. Go on and see back. Come. That's the sin. What's that? That's sin. That's sin. And there's the Kapaka. Another Kapaka is a new province might be. And there is a Balochistan they have broken. Balochistan is here and there's the Punjab. And she has proven that she wanted to. I don't know. Come on now. Now who is that from here? Anyone? 1, 2, you.
As you know, Balochistan has many natural resources.
Yeah.
Then Pakistan government is not, Pakistan government left not Balochistan.
Yeah.
Then he did not give freedom. Only natural resources only. If he loved Balochistan people, then solve his problem. But he did not solve this problem.
He did not solve the problems. Yeah, Fatima.
She said that Gilani is the president. You said that here. Sadr Gilani is not a president, he was a president.
He was a president.
My dear sister, I am saying that Sadr Gilani said that I will help the Balochistan. You say, you listen me, then you talk.
I was here of that time, okay? Anyone there? Ale.
My dear sister, Miss Farhat, again and again talking about the Pakistan government don't give the complete, don't look after the Balochi people. They have the minerals they get, but not the giving back. My dear sister, tell me how many minerals are in Balochistan? Tell me.
There are many resources. Then Balochistan government have, but Pakistan catch the power of Balochistan, but he did not give. And Balochistan people do not enter the Pakistan government because she worked himself.
They work by Israel himself. Yeah, come on.
You are saying there are many resources. There are only 14 mineral resources: coal, chromate, bright, sulfur, marble, iron ore, quartzite, limestone, gold, copper, silver, platinum, aluminium, and uranium.
Only 14. Yeah, only 14. What do you want more? What do you want?
There also are 8 minerals. I'm telling you, coal, climate, Brazil, and etc. I want to say that coal is go to another countries and gas is go to another countries. But Pakistan not giving the Balochistan. Why?
Yeah, they are now providing Pakistan. They are not providing Balochistan.
Pakistan not providing the Balochistan.
Pakistan, they are giving to another country. They are not providing to Balochistan.
How can you say that? How can you say that?
How can I say that? She has proof. She has. She, Fatima. She is finding the work in progress. Yeah.
I want to say the answer of Miss Rukhsar. She said that.
Mr. Miss Rukhsar.
Miss Rukhsar. Yeah. She said that the governments provide to any other country or foreign countries. Yes, you are right.
You're right.
You're right.
You're right.
Now listen to me. the former president of Pakistan, he said Talal Bukti, Shahzeb Bukti and others were in contact with the foreigner for these purpose. Got it? It means they got corruption charges, they got charges and they are become a criminal. Okay? He said only 4% of Pakistan population live in Balochistan and 60% among it had rejected the separation. It is also, it means they have down they capture the people who doing like this kind of activity. It means they are captured by somebody. They are captured by president. It means now they are provided, the Pakistan government provided the Persian people also and provide the entire country also.
Yeah, providing entire country. Yeah, man, Rukhsar, only yours be again. Come on, tell me up. Yeah.
First of all, I want to answer that he is saying Pakistan is giving to Balochistan. What Pakistan give it to Balochistan? Can you tell me Balochistan give the Pakistan gas, coal, and extra thing, and etc. thing? Can you tell me the 1 and 5 things to give the Pakistan give the Balochistan?
Just tell me 5 things to Balochistan. Pakistan give to Balochistan. Yeah,
there are many things.
The 5 things.
14 things they are giving on Balochistan.
Where?
These mineral resources they are giving to Balochistan.
The mineral given to Balochistan. Pakistani people. Anyone is here? Yeah.
Balochistan also giving to Pakistan and extra thing like I'm saying that.
Yeah, guys, listen up here. Now the time. We don't have much time here. We have just quite some minutes remain. We have 3 minutes here for debate 1 by 1 here. Who will come first? Anyone there? Fast. Zakira, you come. Who will come from here? You come in here. Fast. Come on, Zakira. 1 by 1 debate. Like this way. Come in here. 1, 2, 3. Come closer. Yes, okay, it's okay. 1, 2 is the last gonna go on. Just ready to be start. How can you say this? What is here?
Pakistan is a part of Pakistan, and if you see your past, Qaeda say Balochistan, NWFP, Sindh, Punjab, all provinces made Pakistan. That is why Balochistan is part of Pakistan. If you separate any state with his mother, are you separated? No. Why separated? Because her mother need his child and his child need his mother.
Listen to carefully. Then what 5 fingers may...
Loudly, I cannot hear you.
Okay. Pakistan has 5 provinces. Before Pakistan had 5 provinces. Had 5 provinces. Before separation in Bangladesh in 1971. Bangladesh, why separate?
Because British. No,
this is not British. Only government Pakistan do not get the attention. Not solve this problem. Not solve this problem. Then he give freedom and separate Bangladesh.
20.
As it is, the Balochistan you
50.
Policy of British and when you want
40. 30.
Look at it,
Smile, come here. Good smile. Smile. Thank you, everyone. Go on, sit. Now, next leader only come up. Did it come up? Fast. Stand here. 1, 2, 3, start.
How did you say that Balochistan should separate from Pakistan?
Because we are saying that Balochistan should be separate from Pakistan because we want to build up the Balochistan.
Okay, you, the Balochi people, want to progress. Okay. First of all, I have told you before that four establishment, there are the four pillars should be needed. But they are all four pillars of Pakistan and also Balochistan. Balochistan has known it and Pakistan has, but they are not knowing how the separation, the Balochistan will be progressed, how it can be happen. And after that, I want to say that after separation, Balochistan will be occupied by 8 agencies are there who want to occupy the Pakistan. In Balochistan, there are the 4 agencies. Indian is raw and American is black border. They want to occupy, and they are the provoker to Balochi people. Should be a separate, should be answer, should be a resolution. They are the provoker. They are the provoker.
Because you are saying how can Balochistan will progress? Balochistan progress by own self because Balochistan have a lots of natural resources. That's why Balochistan build up by own self. Balochistan don't have to need any country to help them to build up.
I did not say that. I didn't say to Balochistan people want to help. My dear sister, I have told you the Balochistan will be occupied, will be hijacked, will be commanded by another. For the that in the Pakistani government, there are 2 agencies that are fighting and they are
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Thank you very much. Go. Now guys, the second round and second segment is that, as you know, that time of speech. It's time of speech. Now let's check who will do best for in speech. Who will come from here for speech? Who will come from here? Come up. Speech. He's a 4th partner and you are 4th partner. The both are the 4th partner. Come up. He is the 3rd partner and she is 4th partner. What's your name, Awais? Awais Raza. Now, all ready? 1, 2, start.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. Nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Each and everything life belongs to Allah. Who is creator, operator of generator is beautiful words. They are my elect to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They are my parents, they are my teacher, they are my all friends. Assalamu alaikum. Today my speech topic is about myself, yourself. Yes, today my speech topic is about English language. English is an international language in the world. By mean of English, we can state and country. We can state and country and we can state country and all world people can state. All world people can state and speak and teach English. Speak and English in the one hand is English is a piece of cake, but is another and English is a piece of iron. I am happy. I can speak English. I am become reliable. That's all.
Good job, fantastic, Mr. Awais. Today you are rocked and also shocked. Now I'm gonna call you Wajiha. And show your Wajiha.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Nothing is yours and nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, generator, operator of this beautiful world. Then I would like to thank Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him, then my parents and my teacher and all my friends who made me able to speak, walk and learn. I'm thankful to all NACS from all over the world. Today's my topic is why do we celebrate Eid al-Fitr? The Muslims celebrate the Muslim Ramzan celebrate and the Muslim Ramzan.
Stop for a while, Azan.
Ramzan to celebrate and the fast of Ramzan
Good job. Now let's go. She became nervous a bit. That's why she was just puzzling herself there what to say that. Now in the call here, the next partner from that team, Tumblr. Who will come? Zakira. Second speech is there. Zakira, you are second partner. You are fourth partner. She is fourth partner.
She's the third partner, even you don't know about this problem.
She's the third partner. She's third partner, that one fourth partner. Start.
In the name of Allah, most merciful and the most beneficial for all. Nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, sustainer, maintainer of this beautiful castle. Then I would like to thank my dearest Allah, then Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then my respectable parents and my respectable teachers, then my all friends. Then I say Assalamu alaikum to all. This is Zakira and my belongs to Tumblrs. Today my speech topic is very simple. I am not discuss about target killing, load shedding, circumstances of Pakistan. I discuss very simple issue. Why we stop the women from education? This is very important issue for all. We know that education is very important for us, but it is most important for women. I don't know why the parents do not give the permission for our daughters to go outside and study. I think they do not believe on her daughters. We almost say one thing, women is always for look after families. Due to this, Pakistan is not progressing. If we look back to our past, we have greatest women personalities like Fatma Jinnah, B. Amma, lots of great personalities who give this beautiful Pakistan to us. Because I don't know why parents do not give permission. If parents and brothers trust on their sisters, so women do all things. We say women can't do anything, but now in this era, women representing itself in every field, either teaching or
Thank you very much, because there is 2 minutes here. No more than I know this will be the man. I love the guy now. I don't know. Thank you very much. Go on. The 2 minutes here. Good job. Now you come on, Hasman. Come on, sir.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Nothing is yours and nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, generator, operator of this beautiful world. Then I would like to thank Allah, then Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Then my parents, my teachers and my friends, who made me able to speak, walk and learn, and I am very thankful to all, and I say Assalamu alaikum. Today's my topic is about technical education. If you know that education can be divided into 3 parts. Education that teaches how to live in society is called as social education. Education that develops our personality is called spiritual education. Education that teaches education that teaches how to earn our living is called vocational education. Technical education is a branch of vocational education. It education that deals with some practical and mechanic and medicine. It imparts neatness, quickness, and order in workers. Our youngers.
Thank you very much. Good job, guys. Now, the both have done the good job. The both have done a good job. Now I'm gonna call our last segment here. What do you know? Do you know that the last segment is that our words? Now, are you ready, guys? Are you ready for words? Are you ready? Let's start. Do you know what the procedure of words? How to ask? Who will come? How? Come up. Both come up. Both come up. Come in front of. Yeah, come in. Come in. Please come in the stage. For work, yeah, for work. Both, yeah, both. Go fast. 2 minutes you have. 2 here, 2 here. You can ask just 2 questions here, 2 words here. Come closer. Come closer. Stand here. Stand here.
Overtaken.
Overtaken mean in Urdu. Start. Ask the group. Ready? Confirm. Uthana. Okay? Okay? Yeah, second one.
Rob Jaman.
Rob Jamana. Bully. Again, okay? Third one. Bank. Mangna. 3. 2 more.
H.
H. Dard.
Pipe से पानी भरना. Pipe से पानी.
Water. Watering.
Pipe से पानी.
Nice. So, the one time only the answer, right or wrong is okay. That's okay now. You get the 5 answer here. Water, H. Okay, now you ask to them, they will answer now.
The 5 question, 4 answer.
4 answer and 1 is wrong. Is okay? Now start. You ask.
Savannah.
1 wrong.
Once group is here, you can discuss. We discuss. Yeah, come on. Tawazun kaam rakhna. Balance. 3 more remain.
Tajub.
Tajud.
Tajub.
Tajub.
Astonish.
No.
No. Wrong. Yeah, 4 more. You ask 4 questions, 3 questions.
3 questions.
3 questions and 1 wrong.
Okay.
Thos par mustamil hona.
Post.
One, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 4 question, 2 wrong. Yeah. Hawa ke chalna. Below. 5, 2 wrong, 3 answer right. Now individual. Hey madam, come here. Individual. 3 you can ask, 3 you can ask. Individual now. 1 by 1. You 2 both and you both. Start 3 question now.
And I.
And why? Pareshan karna.
Avoid.
Avoid. Nadandas karna. 1.
Box.
Box. Gusa marna. Okay, now you can ask 3 fast. 3 answer right. Yeah. Tehwar banana. Celebrate. Mazhaban gale milna.
One, 2. Next.
3, 4, 5. Next. 1 wrong. Last remain. Fast. Safe. Apple. Morna.
Bank.
1 wrong, 2 right. 1 wrong, 2 right. Now you start it. You ask. Jamana. Priest. Fast. 1, 2. Awake. Jagna. Sona. Come on up. 3. Khujana. 8. Yeah, you ask. 3 right. Khasana.
1, 2, 3. Next.
1 wrong. Koni.
Marna.
The word is no word.
Bite.
Bite.
काटना या तोड़ना या काटना.
Yeah, right. 1, 2, 3,
Right. Right.
Right.
Right.
Right English में W
Right.
चलाना
Spelling. Right.
R-I-D-E. Right.
Right. Right. You said right. Right. Once more. Line B. Ask last question. It's not up. It's not last one. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Koni marna.
No.
Okay, finish now. Now guys, you get answer. 2 answered. 1 wrong. Okay, now answers. Thank you very much, guys. Now, the last time is the appeal for war. Now what to ask them? How were they?
And my point of view is that they played excellent performance and they were delivering their thoughts and points. It was very tremendous job. And you had some mistakes and you had also some mistakes. But it doesn't mean that you have been lost. It doesn't mean that you have been lost. It's up to the result because still I do not calculate. So let's see what happens in the result. Okay? Thank you.
Sarshay, Rose.
As he said, we don't know the result, but they played well. Both are. They did very amazing job. They did very amazing workout. They bring too much knowledge. They're also and they are also. But let's see what will be happening.
Let's see now what will happen now, guys. They're appealing for war, and whoever the favorite team, favorite person, you can vote easily. The procedure they're voting for you. Now, right now, they will ask. Thank you very much, guys.
You know that my team performed very well, and now we want to go in the semi-final. Please give vote for my team. Your one vote is very precious for my team. Please vote for Tumblers. Our team name is Tumblers.
Tumblr. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum guys. We are standing here to say your voting. So you can vote us. Go to Facebook, write Wasim space learning space point space voting. You can vote us. We will wait for your vote, and our team name is Destroyer. So please vote for us. Our team name is Destroyer.
Destroyer.